Good morning, students. Now we are going to paper 5 linear algebra or simply algebra, right? Now, here this first unit contains vector spaces. Vector spaces. Now, before that, please go through all the properties, group theory properties, right? Closure property, associative property, identity property, inverse property, commutative property. Please go through all the properties, 5 properties, right? Now, here vector space. Before going to this one, now what is this one? This is called an ordered triad, ordered pair. Open parenthesis a comma p means ordered pair. If 3 elements are there, a comma b comma c, this is called ordered triad, right? Now n elements are there, a b c d so on, n elements, then this is called ordered n tuple. Ordered n tuple, ORR you can write like this, a1 a2 so on an. This is called ordered n tuple, right? Now what is this? This is nothing but collection of all 2 by 2 matrices whose entries are real numbers, right? Now here this is an important example, ordered triad or ordered n tuple. Ordered pairs also important. Now these are the basics. Now here first one, definition of a vector space. What is the definition of a vector space? Here V is a non-empty set. V is a non-empty set and F is a field. And F is a field. Now this V over F, V of F and V over F is said to be a vector space if it has to satisfy 2 conditions. One is internal composition, second one is external composition. Simple ga cheppalante, right? Now sir, what is internal composition? Internal composition means a comma b or any 2 elements in S implies a plus b belongs to S, right? A plus b, sorry, a plus b belongs to, here we have taken, see, we know a plus b belongs to V. What is external composition? Right? A belongs to V, alpha belongs to F implies alpha A belongs to V. This is called external composition. If these 2 compositions are satisfied, then that set is said to be a vector space over the field F. This is a simple one. Actual definition is, here V is a non-empty set and F is a field. You know what is the definition of a field? A set F is said to be a field if it is an abelian group with respect to addition and forms the non-zero elements of F forms an abelian group with respect to multiplication and distributive laws are satisfied, then that set F is said to be a field, right? Now here this is a definition. V is a non-empty set, F is a field. Now V over F is said to be a vector space if number 1 V comma plus is an abelian group, the first property. Second property is, here you can take alpha beta or u comma v. Small u comma v belongs to V implies u plus v belongs to V. Third property is a comma b belongs to F, u comma v belongs to V implies au plus bv belongs to V. Number 4, a comma b belongs to F, u belongs to V implies A plus B into U is equal to AU plus BU belongs to V. Next, 1 into U is equal to U, where 1 belongs to F, U belongs to V. Right? Now, next one. Here, U comma V belongs to V and A belongs to F implies A into U plus V is equal to AU plus AB. If all the five properties are satisfied, then the set is said to be a vector space over the field F. Now, very simple definition is this one, right? V is a non-empty set. F is said to be F is a field. V is said to be a vector space if internal and external compositions are satisfied in V. Right? What is internal composition? We have to pick any two arbitrary elements from V and their sum is also in V. Then that is said to be an internal composition. Next, what is external composition? Right, we have to pick one element from F, another element from V, then their product belongs to V, then that is called an external composition. If these two compositions are satisfied by V, then V is said to be a vector space over the field F. Here the internal composition is called vector addition and external composition is called scalar composition, or you can say scalar multiplication. Now, what is the definition of a vector space? Clearly, V is a non-empty set, F is a field, V is said to be a vector space over the field F if internal and external compositions are satisfied in V. Right? Another definition, లెంతీగా రాయాలంటే యాక్చువల్ డెఫినేషన్ ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్ని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం. రైట్, ఏమని? V is a non-empty set, F is a field, V is said to be a vector space over the field F if ఒక కండిషన్ రాస్తాం, V comma plus is an abelian group. You know what is V comma plus is an abelian group అంటే ఏంటి? V అనేది క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎడిషన్, అసోసియేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎడిషన్ అండ్ ఐడెంటిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎడిషన్. నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్వర్స్ ప్రాపర్టీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎడిషన్, కాంపిటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎడిషన్. ఇవన్నీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే దెన్ V comma plus ఈజ్ అన్ అబిలియన్ గ్రూప్ అంటాం. ఇవన్నీ మాల్ ప్రాపర్టీసే. Right, 1 into U is equal to U and A comma B belongs to F, U comma B belongs to into AU plus BV belongs to U అని సింపుల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్ని సాటిస్ఫై అయితే దెన్ V is said to be a vector space అంటాం. Right, now here before going to start this vector spaces, please go through all the properties: closure, associative, identity, inverse, commutative. Just please go through that abelian group and group definition and please go through the definition of a field. Right, definition of a field.